Hi there, Glenn here from Reid Smash Repairs and the Bumper Doctor. In my last video I was letting you know that I had a VN SS that I was conducting a closed door respray on. A bit of a repeat work where there's been some repairs to the panels as well and a little bit of rust cut out, but nothing too major, so not a full restoration, but definitely a full repeat. So here it is here, and it's now ready for its final top coating. So yeah, I'll speed this one up in a bit of a time lapse, so it's not going to bore you for the next hour, but at least you'll get a good idea as to how that paint's applied and how it looks when it's completed. So enjoy this video. Okay, so I've finally finished the VS Commodore, or VN Commodore should I say. It's been a long time, you know, with insurance jobs and other shop jobs in between. I just want to say thanks, Jay, for being patient, but we finally got there, mate. We've got a really good result at the end. So let's just walk around it and see if you can capture the final result from camera as best as we can get it to look. I'll do some photos as well. So here it is. I'll stand back so you can see it all, and then we'll move closer. So Jay's supplied the sticker kit, as you can see. The stickers were put on by Ziggy's Print and Sign in Loganholme. The paint and panel restoration was done by my team and myself at Reid Smash Repairs. As requested, we have a glass-like finish and all trimmings done in gloss black. You can see the roof there. Complete glass effect. I spent 2 days slicing down the paint and buffing this car to get it to look this way. Starting with coarser grades of paper, going finer and finer, right through to 3000 grade paper before cutting with a machine polish. Even the curtains, you see here, the blinds I did, 2-pack white. Quite a nice little touch, original look. So yeah, that's the VN SS complete. There it is, another vehicle repeat, freshen up if you would call it that. I wouldn't call it full restoration, but certainly a beautiful makeover on this lovely VN SS and at a really reasonable price. So if you have something like this and you'd like to get a quote, come on down to Reid Smash Repairs. As you can see just behind me, that's the building, 47 Chetwynd Street, Loganholme. I'll see you soon.